What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video talking about the recent movement that we've been seeing in Inuvo share price and talking about the news that has helped to fuel this movement. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Since the last time that I talked about Inuvo, we have seen some roller coaster movement in the share price. At the end of February, we saw Inuvo sell off substantially as part of the broader market sell-off. But since then, Inuvo has seen considerable recovery. And at the time that I'm recording this video in pre-market trading, Inuvo is up another 26% at around $1.65 per share. So what has been fueling this huge run-up in Inuvo's share price? Just yesterday, on March 1st, we received some big updates from Inuvo. In that SEC filing, Inuvo announced that one of its subsidiaries, Virtro, has entered into a service agreement with Google, with the agreement extending until February 28th of 2023 and serving as a big source of revenue for Inuvo. As part of the agreement, Virtro has agreed to utilize Google's web services and AdSense on approved websites. And in turn, Google will be sharing a percentage of that ad revenue. In my opinion, this is huge news for Inuvo. Prior to this agreement, Inuvo and Google already did have a strong business relationship. But despite this relationship, in my last video when I talked about why I was investing in Inuvo, I explained why I also felt that Google was a potential risk to Inuvo. As all of us already know, Google is a tech giant. I don't need to explain that to you. But as such a tech giant, one of the concerns that I had was, rather than partner with Inuvo, I was concerned that Google could instead focus on developing its own AI. Now, while that risk does still exist, or the risk that the relationship between Inuvo and Google could go south, I believe that this new service agreement has further solidified the relationship between Google and Inuvo. And this is just me purely speculating at this point, but honestly, in the future, I wouldn't be surprised to hear Google announce that they will be acquiring Inuvo. At the time that I'm recording this video, Inuvo currently has a market capitalization of $155 million. And depending on how this agreement helps Google to grow its revenue, I personally believe that that acquisition would be a no-brainer. What are your thoughts about Inuvo? Are you invested in Inuvo? Are you thinking about investing in this company? What do you think about this service agreement? And where do you see Inuvo's share price going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.